Hello, ladies and gentlemen. How we doing? Okay, well, our wiring harness is getting there. I'm trying to keep it hidden best I can. I've got some older wrap so that it'll blend in and not look like, you know, all new stuff has been put in the vehicle, even though all new stuff is being put in the vehicle. This one had some major issues with electrical harness fire. Did I get that? Yeah, I got that, okay. So we're just trying to make sure that it looks as respectable as possible. I'm keeping it hidden in the channel so that you can't see it. A lot of people, oh no, I don't want it to be seen. This car wasn't meant to be all that being seen. You want that hidden so that you can show off the beauty of the vehicle. And this is an absolute stunner. With where the original factory fuse block was, the new aftermarket doesn't bolt in, so I'm having to make a spot. So what I did was I found a pre-existing hole. Let me see if I can get some light on there. Make it a little bit easier. There we go. So I'm just trying to route the wires out of the way so that, you know, it doesn't interfere with any of the originality of the vehicle, and all the factory parts will fit right back on again. But we're also missing, if you can see right here, the bonnet release. So I went online, did some research. I got a hold of a guy who deals with just the Lancia. And this one, let's see if I can do this without showing the VIN. Is a Lancia Flaminia Touring GT. So, okay, great. So, it's also the Superleggera, which for those of you that don't know, and no, I'm not trying to be condescending, means that it's super light, Superleggera, super light. So I'm trying to find a factory one. I'm hoping the guy has it, because with where I've mounted the fuse panel, with once the wires are tucked up out of the way, right there that I'm tapping on is the hood release. So it'll come across, bolt up right here, and I'm hoping my idea will be correct. If not, I gotta move the harness up, down, whatever. It's not a big deal. But I wanted that done. So we're chasing wires. I've got the harness to the ignition to run power to everything. That's already routed and ran. I've got the other, where did I hide it? Did I hide it? I hid it, right? Yes, no, maybe, oh, duh! Right in front of me. So I still have to route this one, and we'll go from there. A little bit at a time, just kind of getting things in place and making sure they fit. So if you were to come in and look, not seeing the stuff you can see right now, that you wouldn't see the harness, you wouldn't see anything, and all the factory stuff will go right back on again. So we've got parts. Thank God I've got a spare headlight switch connector, because the one that's on the car, I don't know why, but whoever did this work didn't do it right, and I'm just not taking any chances. So we've got a spare one, so I'll put that on. We left ourselves more than enough wire, so it's got to be reused. It can be reused. I don't care. That's not going to be an issue. So we'll see. We're getting there. I just spoke with my boss to see if we can't get an aftermarket turn signal assembly to put on the vehicle instead of using a switch. But he's got to get a hold of the owner and see how the owner wants to approach everything. So we'll let him make the decision, and then we can go from there. But I'm almost at a temporary stopping point for lunch/breakfast, since I'm late for breakfast and early for lunch, but I'm bumped. But we'll get this done. Just kind of taking my time, making sure everything's right, cleaning things up that I can. Yeah, we're getting there. But okay, guys, we'll let you go for the moment. See ya.